In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download all of your new apps you wanna apply. In my case, Firefox browser. As you can see, I already have it, so I can exit Play Store and go into settings. When you're ready to, scroll to hit apps in devices settings. And then scroll again, this time to choose default apps under general. Now click on any of those sections you wanna manage. As I mentioned before, I want to set up Firefox, so I need to click here on Browser App section. Select Firefox by tapping on it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!